That is the first step that you need in any 12 volt setup. This is my type of product. It is so simple to install, it's not even funny. What's up guys? I'm back in the Patriot Games shed and I'm going to run you through another product. In this series we've run through the Alpha. I want to run through one of the products that actually, look, this comes in the Alpha. If you buy the Alpha kit, you get the Bluetooth shunt. But specifically I want to talk to you about the Bluetooth shunt as a standalone product because you can buy this directly from REDARC. And this is my type of product because this is so simple, so easy that even I would connect this thing up. Now, it's actually so good that in our new X2 Patriot camper, this is the brains, this is the heart of the X2. We've developed a system with REDARC that is so simple in the Patriot Campers X2. And this is something that if you're a DIY guy or you're looking for a very, very simplistic solution to managing your 12 volt power, this is the only product that really you need to buy. Now, we're running, in conjunction with this thing, we're running a BC-DC 1240 in the Patriot Campers X2, which is handling all of our DC inputs of charge, so off our alternator and off our solar. The problem with that is it doesn't give you a display to know what your state of charge is and what your current draw is. And that's where this little thing comes in. It is so simple to install, it's not even funny. So basically what you do, if you're fitting this into an RV or a canopy or a camper trailer, something very, very simple, you run all of your negative wires to this side of the shunt here and you wire them to the ground. Then you take another cable and you go negative from here to the battery. Then there's positive, so if you can imagine here, this is my negative side of the battery. So I'll put it this way actually. If I connect this to positive and this cable lead, you don't want to modify this. So when you do your install, these two fastening spots here, keep them as close to the battery as you can. Positive goes to here, negative lead goes to here on the shunt, and then everything negative that's running off your 12 volt system, whatever that may be, you run all the negatives to this post in here. And what that's going to do is it's going to measure the current draw on what you're using. So if you go and switch a light on, it's going to tell you exactly how much power you're using and most importantly, how much power you have left. How does it do that? You don't see a display here. Android or iPhone. So you connect to the Red Vision app. This has got Bluetooth inbuilt. As soon as you power it up, you go into the REDARC connectivity app, you set everything up, you tell it the profile of your battery. So whether you're running gel, AGM or lithium, the system doesn't care, but you have to tell it the first time. How many amp hours of battery you have there, connect everything up, and then you go into the Red Vision display app. Now, we'll show you guys some other footage of what the Red Vision app looks like, but you have the ability there just as a monitor. You can't switch on and off. Obviously from here to do that, you need another product called a Rode, which I'm gonna talk about in another one of the videos. This will just give you your current battery status. How much current you're drawing, how much battery you have left, and that is the simplest way of doing it. So if you're running an old school type of system, if you're running relays and switches and LEDs and fridges and whatever, run everything through here, this will just give you a display. That is the first step that you need in any 12 volt setup, so make sure you check this product out. We're running them in all the Patriot Campers X2, and now they come as standard with the new Manager Alpha from REDARC. So very, very short video on this one here. Not a lot to talk about because it is so simple. That's about it for this one. It's Friday afternoon. I'm going to finish loading up and I'm out of here.